Okay, everybody, I am back with another video. It is your girl Sanaa from Sew Crafted Sanaa, and you guys, this is my savings challenge cash stuffing. I am going to be stuffing $500 into my savings challenges. Yes, I do multiple savings challenges at one time. I am not concerned with completing one over the other. I just like to contribute. It's all savings for me. So I find fun in getting in where I fit in. So my budget every week may not be the same. I may not be able to contribute the same amount of money to savings challenges every week. I may have a little or a lot. I like to have different challenges to fit whatever my budget might be. Not to mention I'm creative and crafty, and I designed all of these savings challenges myself. With this selection of this is other people's challenges I combined into one book. We will get into that. I do have some new savings challenges coming out. Being a manufacturer, so what can we do? First things first, I never really do the life be life, and I'm not gonna lie, because I have sinking funds for all of these categories. I really don't do life be life, and I don't. Monthly savings. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go through my monthly savings challenge. Let me get these out of here. Not out of here, but let me just move them. For my monthly savings challenge, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and set what I think my challenges should be. So for the month of January, I'm going to make each snowflake, I'm going to start off and I'm going to make it $15, right? And I already have a $10 week saving challenge, so I'm not going to do that. February, I am going to do $20. And I learned last time I got too crazy with these amounts, and so March already says $10, so I'm gonna just go ahead and leave March at $10. April, depending on how the month goes, is 25 icons on each one. So if I save $25 each icon, you know, you never know, right? So I'm going to make May. Let's see, I don't have $5, so let's make May $5. All right. And then June, I might want to get crazy with it. Let me do $30. I'm not even going to lie. Let's do 30. Let's just spruce it up a bit. July. Okay. What's a good amount for July? I already have a $25 a week savings challenge. Let's do, I don't want to get, again, too crazy. So let's do $20 here. We got to make it fun. August, I want to challenge myself, but I have a $50 a week savings challenge, as you will see. So I don't know if I want to do 50 for that. Maybe 35, an odd amount. Let's do 35 a week. And then let's go back down September. Let's do 15 a week. And then for October, what could we do? I already have a $100 a week one too, so I don't need to make that 100, but we can do 20. Let's do 20 for that one. November, we'll do 15 again. And then December, let's do $12. Starting off with January. January is $15 a snowflake. So what I'm going to do, and you guys, the monthly savings challenge, all of my challenges are wipeable. So if you take a Sharpie, if you use a Sharpie and then use some hand sanitizer or some alcohol, it'll wipe right off. So I am going to do $30. I'm going to do a 20 and a 10, and I'm going to mark off 2 snowflakes. It's January. I'm running late because it's January no, my gosh, I'm lost. It's not January the 10th, it's January the 9th. So I'm going to put $30 in there, and hopefully I'll complete this challenge. I'm going to try my hardest to complete this challenge. Okay, so that is it for my monthly savings challenge. That's one of them. So next, I'm not going to do this challenge because I didn't weigh myself. I really like to do the pay what you weigh. So you put your weight in there and then you divide it. You do the scratch off, but no. 52 week, $10. Let's get it. I'm starting over, so I'm going to put $10 in here. And if you have the Payday Budget Book, these challenges are in the back of the Payday Budget Book. These binders go with the challenges. You don't need both to do either or. So $10, 52 week, that's going there. And then $25. So I am going to put $25 in this one. And I learned the way I folded the money, it was a pain in the behind, so I'm not folding it like that. All right, so $25 is going into this challenge. My favorite challenge y'all gonna see. All right, so this is 52 week, $50. Now, not every week I can contribute to these, not every week, but I'm gonna try my hardest to at least complete one of these, one of them. So do I have any $50? No, so I'm just gonna do 2 20s and a 10. 2 20s and a 10. Okay. So we have the $50 there. Alrighty. And now this is the 52-week $100 savings challenge. So I am going to put the $100 here. Okay. I love the way this yellow looks up. I love it. So I like to fold it like that. Okay, so we did all of those challenges. Now, I might circle back and put more money in my monthly savings challenge, to be honest, because, oh, let me see this one. So these are challenges from back in the day that I use, but I do love, I got to run this through the laminator. I do love my $5 savings. So with the $5 savings challenge, any rollover money I have, any fives, I always throw to my $5 savings. So I'm going to my back to bank envelope is where I put all of my rollover money to go back in the bank. And I'm going to take the one $5 bill and I'm going to put this in here. Now I do not count my fives. I save them. And then at the end of the year, I see what they accumulate to. So yes, I made all these envelopes out of my Louis Vuitton bag and laminated stuff on the back when I was doing challenges. So all right, that's it for that challenge. Y'all, if y'all don't know, you're about to know. This baby right here is my favorite savings challenge. So this challenge right here was fun to make, but I love the versatility of this. This is the 600 ways to save. So in this book, you have 600 ways to save on each board. So this is 100 under $5. So every square is under $5. And if you save this total square, is $330. Okay. You have another 100 ways. You have 100 under $5, 100 over $5, but under $10. Okay. If you save this board, that's $595. So the next one is 100 under $25. You save this whole board, that's $1,324. And this one is 100 under $50. You save this whole board, it's $2,400. This one is 100 over 25, but under 50. So everything is between $25 and $50. You save this, you get $3,680. And then this is the bigger one, 100 over 50. So everything is over $50. And if you save this total board, it's $7,356. So if you save this entire board, this entire book, that's $15,580 if I'm not mistaken. So let's say $16,000. The reason why I love it is because there's something to suit every budget. If you only have $5 and under, you have $1. You have choices. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark off. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 31. So I'm going to put $31 in here. I took and marked off the whole first row. And I try to go in order when I'm doing these because, hey, why not? Now I can go back and put more other challenges because I want to give away this. I want to do this all together. So let's see, 10, 14. So that's 21, 26, 27, 33, 36, 44, 49, 52. All right, so let's do 52 in this one. I just got the whole first row. So why not? $52 going into this one. Off to a great start. So 10, 4, 7, 5, 6. I hope this is right. 14. Oh my gosh. 6, yeah, 21, 26, 27. Okay, and that's 27. So that's 33, 36. And that's 44, 49, 50, 51, 52. Yep, 52. Oh gosh. Woo, I felt like I was under pressure trying to count on camera. Listen, it is what it is. All righty, so we'll do $15. And then I can do 9. Well, I don't have to do it like that. So what are we talking about here? 24, and then we got 24, that's 46. And then we got 53, 55. So, okay, let's see if we can get 55. 50, and let's do 55. So where do we stop at to do 55? Oh, that's another 10. So let's see. So we did, I think we did 15, 19, 22, 7. I think that's 55 right there. Yep. 24, that's 46. And that is 53, 54, 55. So 20, 40, 50, 55 going into that challenge. And it's the thing, you don't have to go in order of the boards based on what your budget is, how much you have. If you only have $2, put $2 in there. You have $1, put $1. Save everything, okay? Do what you can when you can. All right, so 100 under 50. So I know I can do the 11, that's 15. Okay, that's 37. So 20, 35, 36, 37. So that's 37. So if I put here, here, oops, it's been open too long. Uh-oh. So that is 30, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. So $37 going into my 100 under $50 savings. All right, let's see. Over 25 under 50. So I could do, what do I have? 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 110. So I'm going to do 26, right? 25, 26. I'm going to do the 26 because I want to see if I can do the other board. All right, so let me put the 26 in here. And $76. So 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76. So I'm going to put 76 into this challenge here. And these envelopes, I do sell these binders with the zip envelopes also. I happen to like these, so let me just mark off this 76. Okay. Alrighty, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have $8. So this is what I'm talking about. If you only have $8, then what can you do? So we can do 2, 3, and 3. That's $8. So you see that? I just stuffed my saving challenges. $500. I am not mad. So there you have it, you guys. And just so you know, every savings challenge I sell is on my website. I currently have a bundle. In total, every savings challenge I have, it's a total of $315 to get all of these. Is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, $315. But I do have a bundle deal on my website right now. You can get all 7 challenges for $175. Check me out, SoCraftySanaa.com. All your cash envelope wallets. Oh my gosh, did y'all see my Payday Budget book? Now, I do have an Excel version. Sorry. I do have an Excel version coming out. But if you haven't, if you're in the need for a budget planner, and this is a paycheck budget planner, you guys. So check it out. I hand designed everything myself. I even printed, cut, and binded the books myself until I found the manufacturer, but they look the same. And for those of you out here who have my original book, shout out to y'all. Shout out to y'all. Thank y'all so much. It helps you do a monthly budget, and then you can do your payday budgets. It's really good. And it has a lot of worksheets in here. It has a nice tracker section, monthly debt payments. You can track all of your expenses, weekly cash flow, weekly accountant's balance, monthly expense comparison, month-to-month money spent, the budget closeout. And then there's a tracker section with about, I want to say 30-something different trackers in the back. You got a subscription, credit card, debt, balance transfer, cashback rewards, debt snowball, debt avalanche. So, all righty, you guys, I'm going to get off camera. So, all right. Thank you guys so much. Please stay tuned for my next video. I am going to be doing a bill. Stay tuned. See you on my next video. Bye.